Hold the button down. You got it.
Hi, Thermos. We're driving now with Thermos. Right on top of our hood. He's going along for a ride. Aren't you, Thermos?
Oh, Thermos. I can't believe how far Thermos has traveled with us.
A couple of miles by now, hasn't it?
At least.
It's gonna get bumpy here, Thermos, okay?
Okay. So it'll just keep going. Do I need to hold the button down or anything?
No, it's still going.
Okay. Oh, Thermos.
Look at that.
Oh, hang on, Thermos.
Hang on, Thermos.
It'll be all right.
Look at that. I can't believe it. Oh, you just pooped on your car. But that's all right.
Oh, Thermos. There he goes. How do you
Press
stop
stop button,
it?
I think.
Stop?